Welcome back to Let's Bridge the Gap. How many famous landmarks do you know? Take this fun quiz to find out if you can identify the iconic landmark by its close-up picture.
Find close-up pictures of 10 iconic landmarks around the world. Guess each landmark in 5 seconds.
Before starting, please subscribe to the Let's Bridge the Gap channel for more exciting quizzes.
Think you have seen this one before? Let's find out. It's Empire State Building. The Empire State Building is one of the most famous skyscrapers in the world, located in New York City, USA. Another iconic landmark, but can you recognize from this angle? It's Milan Cathedral. Milan Cathedral is one of the largest and most stunning churches in the world. It is located in Milan, Italy. This one is tricky. This is the legendary Forbidden City, located in Beijing, China. It was built between 1406 and 1420. It was home to 24 emperors of the Ming and Qing dynasties. Common people were forbidden to enter unless invited by the emperor. Today, it's a museum visited by millions every year. Guess this iconic place. Is this the most beautiful island in the world? It's Santorini, the jewel of Greece. This stunning island was formed by a massive volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. Santorini is world famous for its magical sunsets over the Aegean Sea. This is the largest religious monument in the world. This is Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Built in the 12th century by King Suryavarman II, it was originally a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu. Later, it became a Buddhist temple and it still stands strong today. This is an easy one. It is one of the most recognized buildings in the world. Yes, it is the White House, located in Washington, D.C., USA. It is the official home and workplace of the President of the United States. Which landmark is this? This is Neuschwanstein Castle, a fairy tale castle located in Germany in the Bavarian Alps. Guess this iconic place. Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque is one of the most famous historic buildings in the world, located in Istanbul, Turkey. This building has been a church, a mosque, and a museum all in one. Do you recognize this? This is Arc de Triomphe, located in Paris, France. It stands as a symbol of French pride and victory. This monument was built by Napoleon in 1806 to honor French heroes. It is one of the most visited monuments in Paris. It is a massive structure which is about 50 meters tall and 45 meters wide. Final one. Guess this legendary landmark from a close-up. This is Brandenburg Gate in Berlin, Germany, built in 1788. It once divided a nation. Now it stands for unity. And that wraps up our landmark close-up picture quiz. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat you. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and gobble up more fun videos on our channel.